Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain. But you feel it. I'm trying to free your mind.
So if you're a gamer or you're into crypto or you're into some type of work group, you've probably been sent a Discord link or an invite to some Discord server at some point. Now, the idea behind Discord is that a lot of the chats are a little bit more private than your average chat group or Twitter DM group or whatever. But apparently, there is a scraper out there that is spying on 600 million Discord users and selling all of the data. A publicly accessible site is selling data on Discord users and their messages to anyone for as little as $5. So the idea of Discord was that only members of the Discord and the mods would be able to see private messages, but apparently not. So according to this new report from 404 Media, it says it's startlingly easy for third parties to collate and cross-index those messages and then sell them to the highest bidder. So there is a site called Spied run by a anonymous creator who apparently is collecting data from 14,000 Discord servers and more than 600 million users with over 4 billion messages indexed. So the system that they built can scrape or group messages in Discord servers and make note of which users are active across the different servers. And of course, they will sell this data to whoever wants it, as long as you pay in crypto for things worth as little as five US dollars. And then customers who want to buy this, they can search the database to find a single Discord user's activity across a range of different servers. They can see the messages that they posted. They can see whatever usernames and even nicknames like aliases they're using, as well as accounts connected to their Discord account, and it can even show which users have been banned from the server and allows its data to be downloaded too. Now, this spyware, this scraper is interesting because apparently it's built off of Discord's standard API and developer tools, and it's essentially just scraping data that's used for less questionable resources or purposes. So that means, so it's like they definitely are breaking Discord's terms of service, but there aren't a whole lot of explicit laws for this. It's not real clear where this website is coming from. The registry is set in the Netherlands, but there's no full exact place where SpyPet is operating. Now, this isn't like breaking news. This type of stuff can be done by a lot of different tools. The fact is they're just making the data available to anyone that just has just a little bit of Bitcoin in their wallet or an address somewhere they can just send to them real quick. That's the big thing. It's just they're making it available for dirt cheap. Now, one thing, if you're a Discord user, the one thing you don't really have to be worried about is this SpyPet system. It can't access private messages sent between individual users or grouped up users outside of open channels. So, but even then, privacy implications are pretty big. So it's like, but in addition to the gaming groups and the general groups, we know that Discord is used as direct customer service for some businesses and a place for other people that just want to communicate with anonymity and just be safe from maybe potential government issues or whatever. And if a simple site like SpyPet can do this, obviously you have the risk of bigger hacking groups and state-sponsored data collectors with governments, law enforcement could probably do the same if they're not doing it already. And all this is, it just makes Discord seem like a very far less safe option. Now, just to show you some confirmation, here is some of the data from SpyPet that they were able to track. See, as you can see, these are some current servers on Discord. And as you can see here, they're showing some of the servers that they're being tracked. It says over 14,000 servers tracked, over 627 million users being tracked, and over 4 billion messages being logged. And here we can see some of the publicly available data that Spied was able to track for the Deep Rock Galactic Survivor game. And they can show you the different emojis being used, the stickers, the server statistics, or the people who are online, etc., etc. What do you think? Are you going to continue to use Discord like you've always been? Do you have an alternative in mind? Are you done with Discord? Does this concern you for any other messaging apps in the future? Or is this just, much ado about nothing? Maybe this is just a regular data scraping and happens all the time. Nothing will come from it. I think it's pretty interesting that they can get access to this data pretty cheap if they wanted to. For as little as $5 in Bitcoin, they can get a pretty large amount of public information. But let me know in the comments what you think about this. If you're watching this on Rumble, Odyssey, or YouTube, leave a like and share to help out with the algo. Thank you and take care.